Wow, that's more frustrating and that's more depressing, Mr. Chairman.
The
Because
only-
I myself, as a member of this institution, been asking for help with the department, and I never considered myself as an expert in flooding. I never considered myself as someone who knows what to do in addressing this problem. That's why we consult, we ask for experts. And now you're saying wala palang feasibility study, itong mga projects na ito na bilyong-bilyong halaga na ginagastusan ng ating pamahalaan. Itong 4 na taon, from 2023, 1.07 billion per day ang budget ng DPWH. 2024, 1.34 billion pesos a day ang budget ng DPWH. 2025 this year, 1.37 billion pesos budget a day. Siguro kung ibabalik yung death penalty, sana sila unahin.
And all these three companies na may blacklisted kayo have all the same addresses and the same owners. Bakit pinapayagan yun? Ganun. Blacklisted na eh.
Siguro yung blacklisting nila, Mr. Chair, is actually tapos na yung yung period of penalty. Because as I said, when you're blacklisted, you have only 1 year to be blacklisted. Then you can participate again.
Parang agrabyadong Pilipino doon.
Agabyado nga, Senator
Blacklisted
Tito.
na nga eh.
Chairman, ganito ang gawin mo. Your lawyers can advise you. Meron kaming tawag dyan. You have to pierce the veil of corporate fiction. Kahit ano pang gawin niya, siya pa rin yun eh. Kaya tagpasin mo siya. Multo ka na eh, huwag ka nang mabubuhay. Pag multo, multo lang.